Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store, and it will be a complete breakdown step by step process. So I hope this video will be really knowledgeable for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our Shopify dashboard, and if you heard this Shopify word newly, then let me tell you how easy to create a website in Shopify. Let's search for Shopify. Once you search here, then it will redirect you to that place where you can see there's a couple of headlines. We have be the next one to watch. So main thing is that is the advantages to using Shopify is you can start it with free. There's a no credit card or debit card required. You just need to be create account, and then you can eventually use their services. So here you can see sell online and in person, sell locally and globally. There is a couple of options. So they provide you a platform where you can easily start your business, and this is their editing options. So it is a drag and drop option, so you can easily create your website with this Shopify. And the main thing is, if you don't have any knowledge about coding, even you can also create Shopify website with this Shopify platform. So main thing, let's go and let's create our website where we will connect our WhatsApp button to communicate with our audience through WhatsApp. So here you can see this is our website. If you want to view our front end design, then here you can see this is our front end design. This will be the interface for our audiences who want to purchase things from us. So here I'm going to install or connect or associated WhatsApp button with these options. So here you just need to click on these apps, and under this app you will find out call add apps option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now here you can see a pop-up has been come on our desktop. So here you can see in the bottom that we have an information called get more recommendation in the Shopify app. Is to just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to that page where you just need to be click on remind me next time. Once you click over here, then actually it will redirect you to the app store. It is a Shopify app store similar like Play Store and Apple Store, where you can install your app for your devices. On the other hand, Shopify app store works for Shopify platform, where you want to include some great or advanced plugin for your store, you are allowed to do it or install plugin from that place. So here I'm going to search WhatsApp, and let's hit enter button. Once I click over here, then it will take a while and it will give us some suggestion. Here you can see there's a couple of options we have, but in those options I think this Dondi WhatsApp marketing plus chat option is really awesome. So let's click on this and let's see. As you can see the pricing, their pricing is the free plan available and free trial is also available, and you can see their highlights that use directly in Shopify admin. Then it works with Dawn theme. Then the rating, as you can see it is 4.8 star out of 5 stars. That's really amazing as a apps. Then you can read that drive marketing, sales support and operation on WhatsApp with artificial intelligence and recover lost sales. So it can help you to easily engage with your customer and grow your business with this WhatsApp automation. Recover abandoned cards, send personalized revenue, then driving messages including marketing campaigns, reminders, review collection and automated messages by WhatsApp. Also you can use your WhatsApp chat with an unlimited support agent for instant customer service. Leverage AI chatbots to import support and grow sales. So here is a couple of options like advantage you will get by using these options, and the great thing is it is totally free. So here you can see we are allowed to use the free plan, where we get this kind of a feature called WhatsApp flirting widget, unlimited WhatsApp conversation, stylish design, custom design and pre-filled messages. So let's go and let's try to install it. Just click on install. Once you click over here, then it will open a new tab where you are allowed to install this app on your Shopify. Here you can see, just click install. The process is really simple. So now once you click over here, then even it will open on this platform, and let's pin it to our navigation so we can access it anytime when we will come to this place. So just refresh it. Sometimes it's happened for cache issue. So here you can see the design has been completely nice right now. So here I am just going to click on WhatsApp app button, and here you can see create WhatsApp app button. So here they are telling us to add a phone number, so let's choose a phone number that will my country code. So let's go. Yeah, it would be Bangladesh. Then 01761 7461 07617 telephone, and then here you can select the size. What kind of a size do you want? So I'm going to with the small one. Then choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on the page. It will be on the right, so it already selected. You can add some pre-filled message. Hey, I have a questions, or I want to know something more. I have this kind of a questions. Then if you want to use pro feature, you just need to purchase it through these options. Once you're done, you can just click on save. Once you click over here, then enable widget, just click on enable widget. Once you click over here, then it will open in a new tab, as you can see it, and here you can see our app widget has been enabled and our WordPress is showing here, as you can see it. So in this way you can communicate with your audience through this WhatsApp. So as you can see how easy the process was. There's a couple of other options we have there. You can see that is automations, actually campaign, even chat and AI chatbot. Although the simple process is enough, WhatsApp button is enough for an business owner, but you can explore it one by one, like automations. Here you can see it. Then you can see the campaign, what is the work of campaign, why you need campaign. There's a couple of options we have which is really helpful for to grow our business on WordPress, like WhatsApp. So here let's view our website on the main page. So let's open on this platform, view your online store. Just click over here. Once I click over here, then here you can see that is the design. So but our WhatsApp has not been enabled here, so there's sometimes a messy problem we will get, that is the cache problem. So you just need to be wait a bit to get this result on here, but eventually you can see that your design is working right now. Here you can see our WhatsApp has been come over here, so it will take a while to connect with that. So you just need to be keep patience for the result. So if you have any question related to these apps or this plugin, you can ask me on the comment box. I will try my best to give all the answers as fast as possible. And in the last, let's wrap up the video, but please don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button if you think this video was really helpful for you. Till then, have a good day. Thanks for watching the video.